up, guys? Welcome back to another video. And today we are unboxing a figurine from Paris. It's for the Olympics. It's for judo, the Olympics. And after this video, I will teach you a judo throw. So, the unboxing, we'll get right to it. Alright, so here we are with this guy. He is a judo Eiffel Tower. I don't know how this is supposed to be the Eiffel Tower. That's very weird, but let's get to the unboxing. So first of all, here's a little drawing of the judo Eiffel Tower. Very amazing, and I love it because I'll teach you guys how to judo throw, like I said earlier, but judo is kind of like jiu-jitsu. Not a lot though, only the throwing. But so let's get unboxing. Here's a little history, and here's every single sport in the Olympics this year. But anyway, let's get to the unboxing. Ooh, I may have ripped off a piece, but I don't care. So yeah, this is him, and I'll give you guys a more close-up, better reaction type of thing of this right about now. Alright, so this is the Eiffel Tower of judo for the Olympics this year, and honestly, I love it. I love it, and this makes me want to compete in the Olympics even more. I just don't know if they have jiu-jitsu in the Olympics. So, but anyways, I still love this judo thing, and I will be putting this up in my room, and I'll be holding this every single minute of when I'm watching the Olympics this year. So, I hope you guys liked the video, right? And I'll see you guys soon. So, goodbye.